Hi there, and welcome to INDO Property Hub, the hub for Indonesian real estate. In this video, we will walk you through creating an ad for the services directory. Firstly, log into your account and ensure you have an active services subscription. From your My Account page, click on the Services Ad tab on the left-hand side. As you can see, this account already has 4 active services ads. Our professional subscription allows for 5 ads, so let's create one more. To do this, we will click on the Add New button on the right. This takes us to the ad creation page. Fill in title and description. Ensure you create compelling content here to attract more customers to your listings. Select service type from the drop-down menu. If your exact service is not listed, choose the option that is the closest. Your compelling title will help customers zero in on your ad. Next is location. It's important you choose the right province for customers who are using advanced search features to find you more easily. And while adding Regency is not required, it will help customers filter you out from the pack. And you can select multiple options if your service has a large operational area. After location is media. You can add as many photos as you wish, but remember, good clear photos displaying your service will help customers understand it better, and will more likely choose your service over others. And last is contact details. You can use the checkbox to select your account profile, or enter different details. Once you are satisfied with all details in media, click the Submit button. This will take you back to the My Account page. To view your ad, click its title, and you'll be redirected to the ad page. It's important to have a look over the ad to ensure it presents as you want it to. If you forgot to add a photo or detail, or wish to change something, simply click the Edit button next to the listing. And with that, we have reached the conclusion of our website tutorial series. We hope this has been incredibly helpful for you, and marks the start of our long-term partnership. Have an amazing day.